Welcome to this exclusive inside look at a modern SnakeLeather factory, where raw reptile skin is transformed into high-end luxury items like jackets, bags, and accessories. In this factory, centuries-old leathercraft meets industrial automation, and every step matters, from legality to quality to aesthetics. Today, we'll walk through the entire process, from receiving regulated snakeskins through cleaning, stretching, dyeing, cutting, stitching, and quality control, all the way to packaging for export. Along the way, we'll highlight the craftsmanship, the science, and the ethical considerations that go into exotic leather manufacturing. Legality, sourcing, and reception. The journey begins before the skins even enter the factory walls. These skins come from licensed suppliers because exotic leather is strictly regulated. Many countries require CITES permits, and ethical sourcing is a major priority. Explain how snake farms or regulated catchers supply skin. For instance, some leather is sourced via cooperatives like the Irula Snake Catchers Cooperative Society in India. Mention that illegal skin trade is a big concern. Reputable factories must ensure traceability and compliance. bestleather.org. Once the skins arrive, workers unpack them, check documentation, and then begin the sorting process. They grade skins based on species, size, scale condition, and surface defects, because not every skin is equal. Cleaning, fleshing, and stabilization. After sorting, the skins undergo rigorous cleaning and fleshing. This removes any residual tissue, blood, or debris that could compromise the final leather. Describe fleshing. A worker or machine scrapes the inner, flesh, side of the skin to remove muscle or membrane. Traditional tanneries do similar for other leathers. taxidermyarts.com. Then, the skins may be salted or preserved to prevent bacterial decay. Salting is a common preservation method. It dehydrates the skin, stopping decomposition, and stabilizes it for storage or further processing. Chef's resource. Next, the skins are soaked, rehydrated, to prepare them for tanning. In industrial settings, soaking reintroduces moisture, removes salt, and readies the collagen fibers. pH adjustment and enzyme treatment. To get the skin ready for tanning, the factory adjusts its chemistry, specifically the pH. In leather production, this step is known as baiting or enzymatic treatment. Explain. After soaking, the skin is often limed, high pH, in some leather types, but for exotic skins like snakes, special protocols apply. The enzyme bath helps clean and soften the skin, breaking down non-collagen proteins, making the skin more pliable without damaging the scale structure. Tanning. Now comes tanning, the heart of converting raw skins into durable leather. In many modern tanneries, chrome tanning is common, but exotic skins may require a nuanced approach. Explain tanning. Tanning agents bind to collagen fibers and stabilize them. In many leather industries, chromium salts are used. For snakeskin, the process is delicate. Too harsh chemicals can damage the scale or shrink it. Too mild, and the leather will be unstable. After tanning, the skins become more dimensionally stable, soft, and ready for further processing. Drying, stretching, and conditioning. Once tanned, the skins must be carefully dried and stretched, a crucial part of preserving the shape and pattern of the scales. Describe stretching. Skins are tacked or nailed gently to drying frames or boards, being stretched lengthwise and widthwise to flatten and stabilize them. Taxidermyarts.com. Humidity is carefully controlled. If skins dry too quickly, they can warp or crack. Too slowly, mold may form. Additionally, conditioning agents, oils, fat leakers, may be applied to make the skin supple, protect the scale edges, and maintain flexibility. Grading, texture, and color enhancement. With the skins stable and soft, the factory now inspects them for texture, pattern, and quality, then begins color treatment. Explain grading in detail. Skins are assessed for scale uniformity, surface defects, natural color variations. The best ones are reserved for visible, premium products. Color treatment, dyeing. Skins may be dyed in industrial dye baths or using specialized dye techniques. The process must preserve scale alignment, natural sheen, and avoid damaging scale edges. After dyeing, further conditioning helps to integrate the dye and maintain softness. Digital design and precision cutting. Now the skins are ready for the design phase. Designers use digital patterns, and the factory uses advanced cutting machines to minimize waste and maximize pattern alignment. Explain. Designers upload CAD patterns into the system. These patterns account for scale direction, natural markings, and desired layout. The factory uses laser-guided or CNC cutting machines, or automated cutting tables, to cut the skin precisely, ensuring minimal waste and perfect alignment between pieces. Precision is key. Snake skin is valuable, so efficient use of skin is a big cost saver. Edge treatment, lining, and reinforcement. Once cut, the pieces go through edge finishing, reinforcement, and lining to make sure the final product is durable and beautiful. Edge finishing. Workers finish the raw edges of the skin panels, sealing them, smoothing, or reinforcing. Lining. Because snake skin is relatively thin and delicate, a lining material is often added to add strength, structure, and support. Reinforcement. Critical stress areas, pockets, collars, seams, are reinforced, often with additional stitching or backing materials to handle wear. Assembly and detailed crafting. In the assembly shop, all the individual pieces come together. This is where craftsmanship and machine precision really blend. Panels are stitched together: front, back, sleeves, pockets for jackets, or compartments, bags. Workers attach hardware: zippers, clasps, buttons, decorative elements. Attention to scale pattern. Craftspeople align scale direction across seams for aesthetic consistency. Protective finishing. To ensure longevity, the leather is given a protective finish, often a coating that guards against UV, scratches, water, and wear. Describe the coating. This might be a clear lacquer, a resin-based finish, or a flexible sealant that preserves both colour and flexibility. The finish is applied carefully, spray booths or brushing, then allowed to cure, dry, under controlled conditions. Quality control and final inspection. Before any item leaves the factory, it goes through a strict quality control process. QC inspectors check scale alignment, stitching, finish quality, colour consistency, and any defects. They might use magnification, lighting angles, and tactile testing, feeling the leather, flexing it, to ensure standards are met. Any flawed piece may be sent back for repair or rejected. Packaging and export. Finally, the finished products are carefully packaged for export. Because these are luxury items, packaging is as important as the product itself. Explain packaging. Items are wrapped, sometimes in soft tissue or protective cloth, then boxed in high quality packaging. Documentation. Export ready goods often include certificates of origin, permit documentation, especially for exotic materials, and labelling. Logistics. Products are sent to high-end boutiques around the world. Ethical, environmental, and industry context. Behind this luxury lies a conversation about ethics, sustainability, and regulation. Mention ethical sourcing. Reptile leather is controversial. Some suppliers are heavily regulated. Others may engage in less responsible practices. PETA. Environmental concerns. Tanning involves chemical use, for example chromium, which can be polluting if not properly managed. Economic impact. For some communities, like snake catching cooperatives, this industry provides vital income. Innovation. Many tanneries are improving by using more environmentally friendly tanning methods or better waste treatment. So there you have it. From raw snake skins to beautifully crafted luxury pieces, this factory fuses traditional craftsmanship with high precision industrial processes. What started as a biologically complex material becomes a work of art, durable, beautiful, and precisely made. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into exotic leather production. If you found this interesting, hit the like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what other industrial processes or hidden factories you want to see next.